Welcome to a new era in trailer industry education. I'm Ginger Baker-Sanwesa, the Education Director at NATM, and I'm thrilled to introduce to you the NATM Academy, a game changer in the world of continuous learning and safety within the trailer industry. Founded in 1987, the National Association of Trailer Manufacturers, known as NATM, boasts nearly 4 decades as a leading force in the light and medium-duty trailer industry. Throughout our history, we have been dedicated to fostering education, safety, and advocacy. As an industry leader for almost 40 years, we're taking our legacy to new heights with the NATM Academy. The NATM Academy envisions a future where education is universally accessible to every trailer industry professional. Positioned as a leader in continuous learning, our mission is to empower the trailer industry through top-tier, on-demand education and safety training. Drawing from our expertise, we aspire to shape a national landscape that is dynamic, competitive, and above all, safer. Our commitment lies in the elevating standards and contributing to a future where innovation and excellence thrive, establishing the NATM Academy as a cornerstone for continuous learning in the trailer industry. NATM's commitment to seamless learning experiences has led to a strategic partnership with U-Haul University, a pioneer in online education since 2007. U-Haul University has been a trailblazer, offering a robust array of over 700 courses to over 77,000 students. Through this collaboration, the NATM Academy ensures a reliable online platform integrating U-Haul U's proven learning management software. This strategic move not only enhances the Academy's educational offerings, but also underscores our commitment to excellence in education. Working on an online platform will allow learners to access the courses anytime, anywhere, leading to a flexible learning schedule that is easily accessible wherever there is an internet connection and a compatible device. Additionally, virtual courses are cost-effective. For example, learners will save on time and gas that would be needed if traveling to an in-person training, and companies will save on all the overhead costs attached to a brick-and-mortar building. At the NATM Academy, we are proud to present a diverse array of courses tailored to elevate your expertise in the trailer industry. Curated with the help of our education and technical committees, they will cater to every facet of the industry. For example, our safety courses prioritizes a secure workplace environment, emphasizing practices and protocols essential for occupational well-being. Dive into our trailer technician courses, where we cover everything from trailer parts to lighting and electrical systems. For those seeking a more targeted approach, we will offer micro courses over sales, HR topics, management strategies, and clerical training, allowing learners to hone in on specific skills needed to run a business. Additionally, some of our learning pathways will award certificates, recognizing your commitment to a well-rounded education in the trailer industry. At the NATM Academy, we firmly believe that training doesn't merely cost. Rather, it serves as a valuable investment that pays in the form of enhanced expertise, increased safety, and heightened competitiveness. Additionally, education fosters innovation and helps your workforce adapt to the changes of this evolving industry. NATM is no stranger to education, as it is one of the pillars of our mission statement. We work hard to provide continuous learning opportunities like our convention workshops, our technical forums, and live webinars. We've been around for almost 40 years, and in that time, we've learned a lot about trailers, and we're not keeping that knowledge to ourselves. We work hard so that you don't have to. The NATM Academy will be a beacon of education and proof of our unwavering commitment to continuous learning. This is just the beginning. Our vision for the future is clear. We will continue to lead the industry in education. We are steadfast in our commitment to adapting and evolving alongside the ever-changing landscape of industry requirements. As part of our future plans, we envision expanding our educational course offerings and are even launching our dealer educational programming initiatives designed to empower those on the front lines of the trailer industry. These strategic expansions align with our mission to continually enhance and diversify our educational platform, ensuring that the NATM Academy remains at the forefront of knowledge and innovation in the years to come. As I mentioned before, I'm Ginger Baker-Sanwesa, and I'm excited about our continuous education initiatives. Whether you're a manufacturer, dealer, or supplier, there will be something at the NATM Academy for everyone. Visit our website at www.natm.com, subscribe to our newsletter, and stay connected for more details on the NATM Academy launch in 2024. Join us in shaping a safer, more knowledgeable future for the trailer industry.